Hey everyone, it's me again, and like I said, this is my unboxing. So what I'm unboxing is my, oh fuck, let it focus, my Angry Grandpa shirt. See? So I'm gonna open it up now. So I'll just place my camera right here for now. I was really happy about getting this. I am a big fan of the Angry Grandpa show, and I subscribe to him on YouTube, so well, here it is. Get any... No, I didn't get a receipt or anything like that. Anyway, here it is. My Angry Grandpa shirt. It's Eat, Sleep, Angry Grandpa, Repeat. Yes, I am a fan of Angry Grandpa. I watch his videos on YouTube, and they're fucking hilarious. Yeah, so I suggest, subscribe to Angry Grandpa, and it's really cool. If you haven't seen him, check it out, but I'm sure you have, because he's popular on YouTube. And, yeah. If anyone is a fan of Angry Grandpa, just like me, you can subscribe to me as well, and stuff like that. So yeah, that's my first unboxing of my Angry Grandpa shirt. And coming soon will be my next unboxing of a VHS. Until then, stay tuned.